Good morning everybody, welcome to MOTOPOV. We're out here again in the morning, cruising to work. We've got a bit of a wet road today. The clouds are looking a bit ominous, but we'll deal with it. Hopefully it won't rain properly, so I don't really want to get wet. Although I will if I have to, because I have no choice. Hope you all had a good start to your week. Hopefully this weather won't stick around for too long. I got quite a, open approach to riding in the rain. I've ridden all winter. I actually quite like it. Sometimes, anyway. You gotta have the right gear on, I find. It's actually been a hot minute since I've ridden in the rain. I haven't done it in a while, so I just take it easy in the rain. It's nothing worse than that feeling when it's going to slip out from under you. And there's loads of fucking fuel spots all over the road again. One of the delivery lorries here has a fuel leak issue, and it's rather annoying. And it's always on the corners, I find, as well. There must be like a side leak in his tank or something, because it's just fucking dangerous. I'm feeling pretty patient today as well, but hopefully the GoPro is not going to get too messed up in terms of spray. Notice that might be a very real possibility, and I apologise for that. Show you the real experience of riding a bike, and you get fucking piss wet through. For a good cause, I think. Although I'm steaming up a little bit and I'm not enjoying it. Cars can fuck off, but for bikes, fuel isn't what you want on the road at all. Did a little bit of servicing this the past weekend on the bike myself. I actually changed the fuel, the oil. Look at the fuel! Oh my god, there's loads! Fucking hell! I hope they get that fixed. That's fucking terrible. I apologise for the wind noise. Oh, but it is nice in the morning with the visor up, even when it's raining, and I'm getting blinded by little pellets of rain. The fuel, man, the fucking fuel. And it's exactly where I want to be as well, like position 2 in the road, like slightly off centre or whatever the fuck it is. Just chilling in the fucking drizzle. That's what I'd call it, drizzle. Daily drizzle. It's pretty much what what this series should be called. Me drizzling shit onto the internet. Whoop. Oh, the fucking spray from the lorries is hindering my vision. Fuel everywhere. I hope there's not a lot on this corner. This corner's shitty. It's shitty on day one. Are they going left? They fucking are. I knew it. Get past one, alright? Yeah, no, it's not the guys in front of me. I thought it was. Big lorry. I reckon it's one of these, because they go to the same place that I work, and the fuel spots seem to go that way as well. I'm very aware of them though. On the weekend I went to the BMW dealership in like the closest city to me. I was having a look at the bikes, as you do, and there was a little gem hidden in the back corner that I saw. There's like, as you walked in, there was fucking S1000, 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 and then obviously about 40,000 BMW GS's. I'm a bit of a BMW fanboy, to be honest with you. There was this beauty of a brand new BMW M1000 RR and it was just perfection. It was absolute perfection. All carbon fibre, all like pristine, perfect. Oh, it was just the best thing I think I've ever seen. Probably one of my favourite motorbikes ever. But the problem is, this is it for me. I don't know if I could ever own one, or like use one for a, you know, an extended period of time, because it would just kill me. My like wrists would fucking explode. Even riding this bike, that isn't even that lean forward. It's like semi-sports tourer, this bike, and it still hurts my wrists after a 40-minute ride. Like I notice it at least. It's not. I'm being a bit of a pussy by saying that. Everyone else is the danger. Humans are lethal. Reactions vary for, you know, person to person and conditions and everything else. It's just fucking scary that you could just be riding along minding your own business at like a reasonable speed, like, you know, doing the speed limit, and some bellend just doesn't see you and pulls straight out in front of you and you don't have time to react. That's what scares me the most, that I have to actually put my life in the hands of these other dippy cunts driving around in their like shitty cars that they feel invincible in. I don't trust anyone else. And like someone close to me always says, you're always going to lose on a motorbike if you have a crash. Well, you're always going to lose. The bike goes down, you're going to feel it, like, in any situation. And if you're going fast, fucking look at the fuel. There's just fuckloads of fuel just chucked on the road there, all the way down the middle. Oh man, that's shit. Thank you for joining me. I've been Moto POV. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you in the next episode of Daily Rider. Peace out.